Guys, how are you doing? I hope all are doing great and fantastic. So, friends, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how why we start feeling that I cannot learn English language, I cannot do this work. So, while learning English language, sometimes something happen in our life. So, after happening that things, we start thinking that. This is not my cup of tea. I cannot do this work. I cannot learn English language. So in this video, I will talk about why we think about these all things. Why means why this negative question comes in our mind. So okay, so I will talk about these all things, and I am sure, friends, if you watch this video till the very end, so you will get the answer of your question, because I know that if you are learning English language, so sometimes something happen in our life. After happening that things, we start thinking that what have happened in my life. I am not able to do anything now. So I cannot learn English language because I am facing so many difficulties for learning English language. And we think that this is not my cup of tea. Learning English is very difficult task for me. Sometimes we think about this because we are unable to see the result. So I will tell you how can you see your result, and I will talk about how to remove this kind of negative thoughts from our mind. So friends, if you are new here, please do not forget subscribe to this channel so that you can easily get my all videos. Okay, so without any delay, let's get into the video. Friends, it is very common that if we are doing anything, so while doing that work, something happen in our life. Like sometimes we do not get result. Start thinking that I am not getting any result. Means we start creating negative thoughts. We start doubting ourselves, and how we doubt ourselves that. I am doing my speaking practice. I am doing my this work from my best. So why I am not getting result? So that's why we start thinking negative process. Okay, so means we start going negative thoughts, negative way for this language, for doing anything. So friends, it is very common thing, and it happens with everyone whoever are doing something. Sometimes we are unable to get result because friends, we can understand that we can guess that if we are doing work, okay, if we are doing every day, we are doing our work every day. So I want to give you one example that if you are preparing for any government service, okay, government exams or government job, if you are preparing, so do you get result in a day? No, you get result one day. You every day you are preparing yourself for that exam, for that job. So every day, just like learning English language, every day we are preparing ourselves for being English speaker. Okay, so for example, if we don't get result, if we are preparing for any government exam, government job, every day we do not get result, but one day we get. In the same way, we are learning English language. So if we are doing our practice every day, if we are regularly put our efforts, so we are not going to get result, but one day we will be able to see our efforts result, whatever we have put it, whatever we have put it in every day. In the same way, our learning process, okay, every day if we are practice every day half and one, or every day if we are learning any concept, I am not saying that you have to learn more concept in a day. If you take only one concept, like today, if I have read, if I have studied about 10, so this is my task that I have completed today. And for tomorrow, I will choose any topic, I will choose any content that I have to study tomorrow. So that is my tomorrow's strategy. Okay, so I will complete that. So if in this way, if we are preparing for our means if we are preparing for being an English speaker, so in this way we are trying to put our and we are collecting our efforts. In one day we will get all the result at once time. Okay, so I hope that you are understanding whatever I am saying. So while learning English